I promise.
Alright, so I'll try and show all the kill streaks. And I'll try and get the nuke, which is set for 30. I'll just point out when kill streaks pop up. The kill streaks will log on the left hand side, middle left. When the nuke gets triggered, it'll be in the center top.
Suspects ahead of the enemy. Good job.
I don't like my chances, we'll see how we go.
Grenade going out.
Alright, we just unlocked the AT-4, which is a rocket launcher. So all the kill streaks, all the specialist equipment's taken off. Like the only way to get the rocket launchers or the Vulcan, sentry guns, mortars is to unlock them through kills. Same with the nuke, obviously.
One down.
Yep, just got the mortar.
Reloading.
Put this down. You have to be pretty smart on how you put this down to actually get a kill with it. It's good for snipers. Alright, just unlock the sentry gun.
I have to reload.
Get the sentry gun down too. Alright, let's put the sentry down. Alright, got the Vulcan.
I'm reloading.
Just got the UAV. You can see how they're all highlighted. They'll highlight for, I think, 8 seconds for the entire team.
Target down.
Alright, gotta be close. Yep.
Cover me. I'm reloading.
1 or 2 more, I think. Oh, there we go. Got the nuke. Countdown on the left. Boom. That'll trigger the win condition. There we go. Victory. Nice, it all works. Alright, that's that. Alright, peace.